It's almost my firstborn's birthday, and I'm planning on giving her a gift that she's been asking for. Wait, you thought I was gonna give her one of my prized possessions? No, honey. I'm actually packing her a full new makeup kit. The reason is because she's been asking for one, and I told her I would take her to Ulta so she can pick out the things that she needs. The thing is, I realized I literally have everything she could possibly need. So why not just build her a makeup kit? The thing is that Philosophy sent me this beautiful PR box that looks like a cake. So I decided to repurpose it, or should I say recycle it, and use it as the basis for the gift. So pack this gift with me. And if you think there's anything missing in here, definitely leave it down below in the comments. And I will be sure to add it in a few days when it's actually her birthday. But I want to give this to her today so I can show her how to do her full face of makeup, so she doesn't have to ask me every time she's going somewhere to do her makeup. Yes, the gift is for her, but it's actually also for myself. I took everything out of here. Philosophy sent over their new fragrances, which I love, a cleanser, which I actually included in here, and this one. Get out the way. Okay. She needs a good primer that will control her oils, and that's these two together. Also, I'm packing this list according to the order in which I do my makeup because it makes it easy for me to remember, okay? We'll go in with some concealers. I decided to include some illuminators because of what it looks like on your skin when you do your makeup. For foundation, these are the two I've tried recently that can actually control my oils. For setting powder, we're using the Huda Beauty Cinnamon Bun because it is a good powder for dark skin. This is what the top part looks like. It's full, and I don't think anything else will fit in here. Now, if you didn't know, Philosophy was established in 1996, and my firstborn is a few years younger. When I got this package, this part had a lot of stuff in it, so I had to peel it out, and so it looks kind of bad. I'm actually going to put some tissue paper inside of it so that I can hide what it looks like. And the inside, I struggled to pull all the little things that were in here out. I think I may have ruined my nails in the process. Next on the list is a translucent setting powder. That she can use to set her foundation. I have three options because I don't know which one would match her better. I actually want to try the Infallible. Oh, this one is highlighting. Okay, we'll put the Sephora Collection translucent setting powder in here, and I will have the Beauty Bakery flower on the side as a backup. For bronzer, I have this House Labs powder bronzer that I was going to use to review for you guys, but I will add it to her kit. For blush, we're doing the whole kit of the new Prada Touch blushes. I will permit her to have one of my Morphe Soloartist cream eyeshadows because these are very good to use as a base for your eyeshadow, but they're also eyeshadow, and I'm picking a very skin tone shade for her because I need her to not make a mistake with her look. For eyeshadow palette, I'm giving her the Juvia's Place Coffee Shop palette because this is the most versatile palette I could give a beginner. It has everything in here that you need. You can also use the products in here as highlighter or contour, so you cannot go wrong with this palette. We have two eyeliners, a gel eyeliner and a felt tip eyeliner. Because she's a beginner, the felt tip will be very easy for her to draw her wings with, and this is for her waterline. This one is the matte gel liner. It's actually really good. For mascara, we're doing Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I have lash glue on here, but I know that she has lash glue that I have given her. I like to keep all my dual lash glues for myself, but this is one that came in a kit, so I will add this to her package. But I know that she has lash glue. Like, I have given her a few lash glues. Okay, now lashes. When it comes to lashes, she likes them big. She likes them chunky. I like them big. I like them chunky. She will come and raid my lash collection anyway, so I'm just gonna add some very basic lashes to her kit. I'm adding a few of the Ardell press-on lashes, okay, and a very subtle lash because she generally likes to go for the big lashes. Okay, on this list I have Melton Spray, so I'm adding the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This will melt in her powders and just make everything blend in beautifully. And then we have Finishing Spray. I am adding I'm adding the one size setting spray or finishing spray with SPF 28 in here. It is also a mattifying setting spray, so for her purposes, because she wants to make sure that her makeup lasts all day, this is the perfect one for her. She loves a good face mask, so I'm adding some of the VT face masks to her kit. Now, things that I'm adding to her kit that is not on my list, because at this point, everything on this list has now been checked off. If you can see, everything on this list is checked off. This will give her a full face of makeup. So I added face masks on here and I added skincare on here. So for the skincare part, she mainly uses Glow Recipe, but I'm adding some of Philosophy Purity's all-in-one cleanser. This is a cleanser that will melt off your makeup and also cleanse your skin at the same time. It is not micellar water. It is actually a cleanser. I'm adding a soft pinch. I'm adding the soft pinch brush, a 21 piece face and eye brush set, because you need a new brush set when you get a new brush kit. I hope my face is not scaring you. The bottom part of the kit is already set up. I have the Fenty Invisimatte setting powder, a brow lamination kit from Ardell, makeup brush cleanser from Salon Perfect. She likes defining her curls, so I added the Fenty curl defining hair cream. This is a small thing of pencils from Makeup Forever. Of course, I'm gonna put a few of powder puffs in here. Beauty Bakery is back, so they sent over blending sponges, which I think I'm just gonna open and throw it in there, but I don't know how I'm gonna fit it in here if I don't take it out. MAC Brow Gel, some MAC lip products, and some Beauty Bakery lip products. Summer Friday lip balm. And literally this thing is full to the brim. She literally has everything she needs. Okay, let me show. This is the bottom tier. It has everything in here. I cannot believe how full this is. Okay, I just added the face mask. I put it at the very top. So then I'll give her the second one. This is the second tier. It's filled with stuff. And this is the top tier that's also filled with stuff. But wait, there's more. There's a L'Oreal brow pen that I'm adding to the Salon Perfect sent over these very gorgeous press-on nails. And my sister loves doing her press-on nails because she doesn't have time to do her nails before she goes anywhere. She loves a beautiful square tip, so I'm adding this milky square tip nails from Salon Perfect. I will add the French tip. I'm gonna put in this glass cat eye. I'm also adding this gorgeous glass nail. And just like that, Philosophy has helped me build, oh Lord, this is heavy. And just like that, Philosophy has helped me build a birthday cake for my little sister. The top is not even closing properly, but you know, that's neither here nor there. It is very cute. Look how big it is. It is so heavy. It's making my muscles pop. I'm gonna put some candles on top of this, and when she comes in, we're gonna light it and sing happy birthday to her. You think she's gonna enjoy it? Let me know down below in the comments if I missed anything. I'm fairly certain I did not miss anything. It's hot in here. Okay, let me know down below in the comments if I missed anything. And yes, I look crazy, but you know, it be like that sometimes.
To you. Happy birthday. How am I supposed to get my phone? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, this is heavy. $10 billion. No, Jama, is it setting spray? Hey, primer. Ooh, enough foundation.
You literally put that with two foundation.
Nice. Hey, this Sunday I'm set too. For I don't know how many years. Remember? The last time you gave makeup stuff was on 2018, Germantown.
Wow.
Hey, I need to throw those makeup things away. Ooh, Rare Beauty. Thank you. Hey. This one, I know it's bronzer, but it's for me.
Me? Yeah, I don't know.
Well, the same.
On Instagram, everyone thinks I'm already about that.
We are halfway there.
I'm just already here.
Ooh.
A watch, who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost.